So today is going to be a great day. We are putting in a brand new AVH 1300 NEX Pioneer stereo double din touchscreen in the Dodge Ram. So getting rid of the factory basic stock radio and upgrading a little bit. It's something quite a bit nicer than what I've got in the rig currently. And what we wanted to do today with this video is show you how to bypass the parking brake so you can watch videos while you're driving. So we ordered this aftermarket stereo off of Amazon, and it gives you the option for $5. You can buy this little guy. It's awesome, and it is what it does is it bypasses a parking brake, so that while you're driving, the stereo still thinks you're in park, and you can watch videos while you're driving, which is a great feature if you have passengers that want to, obviously watch videos. But to further ado, what you do when you get this, just to show you how to hook this thing up. You get this little card. It comes with it. Blue, black, green, and yellow. Yellow does not apply because I am doing a Pioneer install, not Alpine. So what I'll show you how to do, quick and easy. So you have your 4 wires. So yellow on this in this case does not apply, so I have kept this guy off. Black is your ground. So this black wire you want to tie into your aftermarket wire harness and the wire harness that comes with the CD player. So you tie those all into the same ground, just like we have here, and that's fine, and it does its job. That's all you need to do. Then we got to do our other 2 wires. So our other 2 wires is our blue, which is the one where most people get hung up on. It's your remote output, so that will come into the harness that is with the CD player, or radio, or whatever you want to call it. And there it is. It is the blue with white stripe. So blue to blue with white stripe. Connect those 2 guys, and then finally, you have your brake bypass. So this lime light green one is from the factory, or not the factory, the actual Pioneer wire harness, and you hook that into this kind of dark green guy as well, and tie those together, and that will override the brake system.